Welcome to Educly. Can you identify these popular fast food brands just by their logos? Test your knowledge and challenge your friends. Let's see how many you can guess right. Ready? Let's go. McDonald's, Burger King, yes, you are correct. KFC, Subway, yes, it's Domino's Pizza, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, Wendy's, Starbucks, yes, it's Dunkin'. Next one. Chipotle, Chick-fil-A, Popeyes, Five Guys, Sonic Drive-In, Arby's, In-N-Out Burger, Shake Shack, Little Caesars, Jack in the Box, Hardee's, Carl's Jr., yes, you are correct. It's Panda Express, yes, you are correct. It's Jollibee, correct. Whataburger, White Castle, Zaxby's, El Pollo Loco, Quiznos, Buffalo Wild Wings, yes, it's Baskin-Robbins, you are right. Dairy Queen, Tim Hortons, Krispy Kreme, Boston Market, Bonefish Grill, Wingstop, Moe's Southwest Grill, Church's Chicken, Papa John's Pizza, Longhorn, Mellow Mushroom, yes, it's Sparrow, TGI Fridays. Yes, correct, taco time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.